Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and delicious stir-fry kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is a cruciferous vegetable that is related to cabbage and broccoli. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor and a crisp texture. It's a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, K, and potassium. Let's start by washing and peeling the kohlrabi. Then slice it thinly, or you may grate it. Set aside. Then peel and slice the carrot thinly, similar to the kohlrabi. And if you don't like slicing with the knife, you can also grate it. Alright, here are all the ingredients. Half kohlrabi, washed, peeled and sliced. Half carrot, peeled and sliced. Some onion sliced. 1 clove garlic crushed. Next, we need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and some salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon crunchy and spicy bean curd topping, but it is optional. Heat up pan over medium-high heat. Add the cooking oil and then fry the garlic. Fry it until it is golden brown. Add the onions. Fry it until it's shiny. And now we can add in the carrots, followed by the kohlrabi. Cook them for 2 minutes or until they are softened and fragrant. Pour in some water, about 120 to 150 milliliter, and then cover the pan and let shimmer for 3 minutes. Uncover the pan and turn off the heat. Stir in the soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Serve immediately in a deep platter. topped with the crunchy bean curd topping or roasted onions. Garnish with parsley if desired. And if you want to make a more flavorful dish, you can add a teaspoon of chili paste or garlic paste to the pan. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Bye bye.